Can you change email address in ChatGPT? In this tutorial, we're going to look at if you're able to change your email address in ChatGPT. So ChatGPT or OpenAI do not directly support updating the email address associated with your account. However, if you like to use the same API platform organization associated with your old email, you can create a new account with the email address you'd like to use, and then you can add that new email address through the members page of your old organization. So let me show you guys how to do that. So basically, you just open up a new tab and go to OpenAI platform. Click on it, go to the first link. Go to platform.openai.com. And if you are already in a organization, you could just go ahead and click on the settings menu over here and then go to people. And as you can see, I have this email address. Now what you basically can do is create a new email address, and you can invite that new email address over here. So as you can see, I have this other email address that I've invited. So what you can do is click on invite, type in your new email address, select your role, and then click on invite. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.